Good afternoon, everybody. This is Tina's Tips, Rest and Relax. From Essential Partners, you can find us on YouTube, as you may have done so to find this video, or Facebook at Pure Essential Oils USA. So, sleepfoundation.org and healthline.com have some great information about sleep in your body. Supposedly, the most restorative sleep is from 10 p.m. to midnight. Sleep required by age, 1 to 5 years is 10 to 14 hours. 6 to 17 is 8 to 11 hours. 18 to 64 is 7 to 9 hours. You're still within that range when you're over 65. A sleep-deprived body can cause the body not to function at its prime. You all know that. You just can't find the time to rest your mind and fall asleep and have good quality sleep. So quality sleep is going to support your heart health, reduce your stress, reduces inflammation, boosts your memory, and maintains the body's maintenance cycle. By that I mean while you are sleeping, your body is repairing. So you need that sleep to repair the body from the day that it just had. Essential oils and sound sleep. So quality essential oils can support your sleep, and it just depends on which ones are right for you. You can try them in a relaxing bath. You can use them to help you stop snoring, or maybe your spouse or significant other to stop snoring. It can quiet the mind so you can get into that zone for good quality sleep. You can use it as bedtime teas to get into that relaxed state. And you can diffuse it by your bedside at night. That's part of what we do in our home. So a relaxing bath, 5 to 10 drops of lavender or serenity are great in a bath. But what you're going to want to do is take some Epsom salts and put those oils on the Epsom salts and then dissolve them into the bath. That'll keep you from getting that ring around the tub, okay? If you have the sore muscles and you want to relax those muscles before you go to bed, marjoram, deep blue, there's a lot of great essential oils that you can use for that as well. And you can also use sea salts if you don't have the Epsom salt. Here are some great snoozers. Okay. Sometimes people just like the convenience of the Serenity in a soft gel and take 1 or 2 capsules at night to go to sleep. Others will take the vetiver and put it on the bottoms of their big toe. You can also diffuse Serenity. That's what I do by my bedside. And then there's many combinations that you can use to help you sleep. So for young kids, one that I like to add is the juniper berry. Juniper berry is for fear, so nightmares and things like that go away. So here's some recipes here. 3 drops each of vetiver, serenity, and cedarwood was great for a workaholic, I know. And lavender and juniper berry, great for the young ones and those nightmares. Thanks for joining us. This is Tina's Tips.